Ashen ya mu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade eso ene ya fofie da nti jewa home wate week wa bre jewa home ne de nko ba bia de fie ne nya brema Adom TV fi se wazoye de edu so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ne president ya woda Private Health Facilities Association of Ghana Dr. Samuel Kwame Boaben from Pong wo de adesere na to aban nanim say apomden aya adwumayefo no ya fa bi ko won so atena ye ho ye de nsam no ebebro mampani abade akire ya wo ye frank atuni MPP amanyokuo no se woni Ghana fo hwammo nti won fa aba no tumi ne ma no e wo December bosome de to sonson abato no mu eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV ya 119 DSTV ya 280 oko YouTube ya Adom TV Tube nsem wenum bebre nso oko adomonline.com a ya de agu ho faseda Emma Majoy Trish won mo tontade emu baako ene hyemi oko Instagram a won mo ho the links enso ena ayetire ne kama e de ahyemi anopay bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni twemu ankasa etie Democracy Hub organizers ya won mo bodero yenya galamse nom ni ade no ene won mo se akwadanfie enwotwe abayo eni nipa dunum bi a bambofo akye won ahye won kukumu no wonya won
Mubi eye ne ya eye demonstrators eda nedi na omokope ka nka omo sande be block intersection yi biom na omo start posi barricades ya hyehye se ne ede be botimamufo ho ban na omo bo omode aso omo be piepia akwa akire no ene sense posi na ne mra kwanso ne yesese ye demonstrators ni bi omudi atutu asem no ya chichi bi se mo amohwe a traffic na ekopepepepe ne ye wa ha ye be make sure so say ebe koso saa mani to Mubi
Municipal Education Director ma German South Mensini mo say ne achechefo ho aye na e woni Mensini mu a woni Adom kase edi nkomo sre se mpanifo mfa bi mra ho se be ya adesua ne adekire ebe koso.
Many of our teachers are traveling abroad. They are vacating posts and then traveling to UK, Canada, and what have you. If you want to tell the number of teachers who left this year to UK and Canada and other European countries, it's mind-boggling. So government have to do something very fast. Other than that, time will come, we'll not be able to get teachers in our schools. They are leaving. As I'm speaking now, most of my schools are empty. One teacher are taking care of class 1 to class 6.
Andrews Bediakon Mensini Krachi ewo German South. Ebra wode enkunyane tables apem Adom Mensini no ena wochire mu se Mensini na sinkete se obehwa ma schools e woman sin ho no mo a woni nkunyane tables no wonum nyina enya bi.
Enwomasua ewo German South. Ebra me bae no na ade ba kwa na ha adwen pa eye nkunwasem ya na ewo various schools no both primary school JHS and even KG. One of our New York meetings and a director of education at the 2 years say Osha ye will be say nkunwa deficit of 8,000. Nti me hu say very alarming. Na just say 8,000 na enkola be say 16,000 anybody because dual dex na say e fa nipa mienu ba ko bia nti say 8,000 and the war system no more say here there na just say enkola be say 16,000 and omo ne ba biti. Nti assembly no ye dey say betumi anya good quality education na yenya good environment for learning, teaching and learning na say yetumi bo modern sense am kunwa deficit na betumi ayi afri ho.
Assistant Director Ghana Museum and Monument Board Dr. Malik Sako na enei was say arts e horo do obi draw nomne sa ne ma na omo ye esika wo pa adwuma nso wo yie tie wo sa ban no de nani esi ho no mo na ohwe krakra no ye maye se be ye be na me no so e betimi aboye mo maye esika sem egina ye.
We are only talking to the politicians because they have the power. That is the government and power and the subsequent government that are going to come. They should actually see the museum as an important vehicle that can actually change the fortune of art in Ghana and also create jobs for the teeming youth who are interested to go into art. If you look at from the traffic light around the cathedral, after the next traffic light around the TUC. That's the whole of that space was acquired for what? The Ghana Museum's minimum board, so that we can have a lot of spaces. So they were supposed to be what? A cultural hub. And then even we have the science museum. So within there, we have a science museum. We are talking of STEM. So if you are teaching STEM and you don't have a space where the children can go and exhibit the artwork they have, what is the use of that STEM? Because people will not know what they are doing. But when you have the space and the people come to do their display and people come to see what they are doing, maybe you can see an investor who will be interested with some of the artwork.
Dr. Kwesi Ohene Aye, ekasa yemu no wode atuja se wono adwuma wo ye e wasee hono no saban so eboa e de akade a wohia nyina ema wono mo a ebeboa pa ama wono adwuma akonkan na aboa emebunu e wo meimo so.
It is incumbent upon us as the makers or the artists or as the curators or as the general public who are interested in it to develop infrastructure that will get the most or the best out of these values, because you can have value but you can undermine it. So at any point what we want to do is to create awareness of
Adom TV Badwam kase na ugiso ehwene to so President Dema Private Health Facilities Association of Ghana Dr. Samuel Kwame Boabin from Pond dia de sre na to abino animo srepa say emfa pomuden adwumayefo no bin so enko wormatna ye ho na wo kiremu a ebetumi aboa ma pomuden panso akoso ewo my Ghana emu Dr. Samuel Kwame Boabin from Pond echiremu a enei adwumayefo ya wormo ewo ho no ehwaye pa ya na eha wormo adwen wokofo idua wapoye mantemu ena womu ye womo conference awode sansemi etudwa wochre se ankrankra hospitals no wormo so eboa pa ewo apomudin mu tidie aban no ebeye ede aboa womo no wonhwe se wode ebema won wasa adwumadie no ase no Dr. Anthony Sia Asare ya wo government advisor on health enso de nano atumu bi ya wo chechiremu sa ban bi so ya wo boa ewa apomuden ensemu ebi ne agenda 111 eho endiamanti de won wakanso aban ebedi ho edwuma ma yento akase no so na yemonwura abato ensemu so afo be de akire ya wo hwe lands and natural resources so wono so na ye coordinator de ma Dr. Baumia campaign in mining areas ene one more at the miners for Baumia group aba ya wadwuma wo ba beye ene se wo be bo dawura kasa e de afa efema gudie tu ebinmo entuno kwan paso ya eha omeya kase no etwaso yi
ye wo omo a mutu efema gudie a mutu no kwan paso ana entesa ane wo mo nso a omye ne kwan bone so a ewo nsu so aso bone de mpesa meka kosi ni se adwuma bia anasa bia ye wo na wiase no e won advantage and e won disadvantage ete won faso and e won sunso aso bone se wo be hu se won sunso aso bone a e wo se nimdie and na wo de ye adwuma na wo pe kwan paso a be faso a san sunso aso bone na e wo nkofo so no wo be ye fi o na ye sa na tie
enu achiri na responsible small scale miners eku mabi ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo
mining sector and the only sector employ about over 5 million Ghanaians oh Ghana haro so see mining here 5 million omo ko di dey
enam say what mining ase and o sante miners so ase ne do a wode do mu nti ene kasa wode kasa ma miners nti no enipa bebre ene ni din ashe galamse ase
NDC amanyoko no poyamantemu dwamtenani Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo se enede womo wa rehemu pass of force yubi mrashabedwa akunya no de obeje e de free MPP amanyoko no nsem wafi abatom
Dwamtenani de ma NDC amanyoko no wapoye mantemu Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo ene ede atodwa se ade se NDC amanyoko no wono mo babeje ofuase ayerebi akunya no ede free MPP amanyoko no ensem ochiremu dia ohwe enyuma NDC parliamentary candidate Reverend Alfred Osepoku ayedia na nyade se MPP amanyoko no ewa akonya bia se wono mo ebeje akunya no efri wonsem ewo December batwa yebabekoso no emu
Yakasa city bia ni wa eya LPP seat. Ezu city bia ni wa eya LPP seat. City bia ya sabeso mu bia ya dai ya je
eno echi no parliamentary candidate edema NDC amanyuku no ofuase ayiribia Badwam peso so Reverend Alfred Oseipuku enso so edit to just say
Fomba Bọ̀ṣẹ́ bá kó pẹ́ náà wọ́n kọ́ gbé jìnnà pa wọ́n àdó kakra kò sún ní sùn àkọ́bẹ́ yà wọ́n dẹ̀. Ṣọ́bọ̀ òbí ẹnu sẹ́ ní fọ̀bọ̀ṣẹ́ bá jẹ́mà bá agbọ̀fún ní mẹ́tì agbọ̀fún náà bẹ̀ fẹ́ mẹ́sì yà ẹnu sẹ́ sẹ́sẹ́ mú pẹ́ abẹ́. Ẹnu ti yẹ bẹ́yẹ ọyẹ́rẹ́ processing company kẹsí ẹ̀ yẹn sika. Aya jama bana baba biyo atubasa
NDC chairman Dema Danse Asokwa na Yauche nene wode 95 bicycles na koma 95 branch executive se wonye na wonfa montoa
Abra NDC amanyoko ni chairman owo Adanse Asokwa na Yauche eche bicycles awodo ema branch executives se womo emfanko efie enkoye campaign no wode NDC amanyoko no etutu MPP amanyoko na womo ejina ho ma Goliath na NDC nso ejina ho edema David
dinte ma meto bicycles no ekwa be fa so a edi bicycle wewu efiem wewu nkurase nyeye dwumadin ama yanga se mahama otuma nwini na me piece ya Godwin so otuma dey nwini ntina ama to bicycles by 95 ma branches na flash bia benya bicycle baako
constituency executives ni bi ebo chairman abaso womo edana se wanamuntu a wotuye ede bicycles yi eba be che omo no
constituency no villages ne doso the bicycle we betimi am branches na timi awura to krobiam na omuni amanfo akasa na omuni o ma hye ensempa NDC wo ede ma wo titru ene yewa John Dramani Mahama ensempa and ye candidate Godwin so ensempa wo mo
because ade amunhunu bi da na se motimi aya o semfa so pa e paso na papa na o to bicycles no ede ma wo no so huni se ampa dwumedi a me fato me ho so no mamrengu
Rasha bejani ma disia wa chimoda Badwam pesua so wono nso ye osofo abedi etro shopom den so Alexander Kwasia kwa ene wode soso abofo ma ye besi otra modern health center wo achim isem wo Brim Central wo infinfin mantem poye mantem mo ni nyina no yese apomden pa ebekosonti
kaupa ne ye hospital ye ni bi wa ha ye wa ha no in fact ebro ya dwen ne ntia so ebo 6 omapon dana me ko afuom ifi afuom a me ba no ho se me BP kosoro me ba om se me nko da ka akura me de beko no me nya ka nko nti me ko top ala bi enya be 2 weeks na me fa bi sa na me no ade chin na me ko da
na sanse mi atemamufui editu dwa ho no na Alexander Kwasia kwa ya wo yi achimoda mra hyebedwani na wasanso yesoafo abedi akira wo hwapo muden ho nsem so ahyamanfo a wonom ewo achimasiam nyina bose
nti last elections me be show mobo say be omoto abama me a na me be ye MP a mebo modern se memo health center nyame adaro ma yeto abama me ma be ye MP masai aba be ye deputy health minister it is the list of Bosha was a mediso crano any health center and pediampa no and then they are so above Yamon Busumi mienu ye be peja health center na wie na ya kate sword and as a commission na edia ye adwuma it is ye baya a health center no a ye share a sem electoral area bono and a ye disa e boneso
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ye MPP amanyoko no presidential candidate na enei wase Ghana for woni won mu oni ehwamo danti tumi no yemfama no December bosome no de to so enso
Cheba kupa odime chere bako na ene osi opese obabi Ucheba obia di adansie Dr. Baumia be vice president if you want to Ushe ejuma ne shishia bibi aba Ghana obia di adanse se vice president ha aba Ghana nyina unje obia waye ejuma esi doctor Mahmoud Baumia
Hana Samoa Edina MPP Amanyoko ni dinimu apre Aguna East Emrashebedwa akunya no wode atuja se Quinsta Soya ya wo ye NDC Emrashebedwa ni no omo amanfo wo ho no mo ne senti ene sesa afi wonom etu na de so no woto abane bum ema MPP Amanyoko
and I'm saying, I'm not going to echo here, said they. That's a wash my for them, papa. It be else also. Yes, my yes, mana or what? It's that
Akabe bosume miensa na chase ya kwa usia ni makoyi mpanifuo ya wobebu mai na numu no MPP Amanyoko Deputy Women Organizer Hajia Nia Bredden ya woje adeshia no aba MPP Amanyoko mu setumi no wode ma MPP wobuno East mantam ne mu
32 years no mu hoshi afidie e mana me no omo aba be kasa no omo aka kire me se abato aye koidi omo mesisa omo di MPP MP Beba Parliament 7 December inshallah no fan ntuma mbo His Excellency the President inshallah Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no muntimi working tampono Nancy Saye Emrat tampono
Enye nonkwa Bono East Regional Women Organizer Edema MPP Amanyoko no Sofia Ifriye anso so HSC
ya na yenkoto degu fom yes na mu ye didatua esimu na so enda munua Hajia Safia a office Sabina region aya office Sabina aya o enso yi ne twantemu o se oba mo nchen na wadi ni nkoto degu fom wadi ni nsa to ni nsayam aka kire mo se monsuma munua Kola Isaac Bafo Amia anso papa yi dini ya ho alasan kura ye betimi appoint ayedi yensa kire bibi so se waboa ye bebre meboa na wonye nwie ye kura mpo ahimman
Mayenya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de asiase da ne ye wode ya mre ne adaje na de nyamrema ye pa wo ne na wo benya time no ahwe Adom TV se be ya se mi bana wo ka wo ka ye nyina ye mfra ne mo bongu se Adom TV ye gina mbafua fi se adwuma ne ye tiase wada wo ma twen ye nche be se ma mienu ye ba online stories na ya fofie dentisi ye nya da bonkrata ne bi nso ye de beka ho ye kwaba